Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits. Today we're going to be taking a look at Pinocchio LivePortrait. Now, of course, Pinocchio is a very easy way that you can install a lot of artificial intelligence apps without having to know WSL, Linux, or even much programming to begin with. They got a lot of different programs you can do a lot of cool things with. But first off, I want to check out LivePortrait. Now we'll get this thing going. We'll get it in human mode. You can also do it with animals, but I haven't had very much luck with that. So we're going to start up human mode here. And it takes a minute to start up. You're definitely going to want to have a pretty good video card for this. And when I say pretty good, I'm guessing you're going to want at least GTX 1070 and upwards. Now what I got in here is a Quattro A2000, GTX A2000. Sorry, RTX A2000. 12 gigabytes. 12 gigs is definitely better than 8, but if 8's what you got, 8's what you got. Now what we have here is a wonderful app to manipulate portraits, basically. Let's get... Here we go. The Mona Lisa. And then we have examples over here about what we can do with her face. Let's take this one. Volume warning. Alright, you're going to have to trust me. She definitely is singing here. I had to remove the audio though. Copyright claim. Okay, so yeah, we got this loaded. Now we'll come on down here and hit the animate button. Now this takes some time. We gotta chill out, kick back, relax. A lot of stuff with the AI takes a lot of time. And ultimately, Mona Lisa over here will be given the same face as this lady over here. And she'll be talking the same way. Now, while we're doing this, I want to talk about the cracks and whatnot that are on this painting. Now, the cracks going on here can be two things. One, it's a layer of lacquer that has been, or a protective layer or something or other that has been drying out and cracking over time. Also, other things that can happen is over time the paint can crack on its own because the moisture tries to escape. The moisture at the bottom tries to escape. I knew an artist, Tony Luciani, he used to live near me. Beautiful painter. Showed me about that stuff. Anyways. Alright, we're back at it after about 300... Once again, we got a copyright claim for the audio. But trust me, it's playing some awesome music. Alright, now let's try another one. So I'm going to take a video, or an image of somebody that I know, and a video that I made myself with my camera.
I'm a cucumber, I'm a cucumber, I'm a cucumber, I'm a cucumber.
You get the idea. Okay, so I will take that and put this over here. Sometimes it takes a second. Okay, there we go. The video, what we're putting it on, scrolling down, animate, and this usually takes a little bit longer. So yeah, and here we have the finished product at the bottom.
I'm a cucumber, 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 I'm a cucumber. Please don't take me to the pickle farm.
Alright, now let's go on to video. So you hit this tab here, source video, and they used to have, oh, sometimes they don't show up. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'll just click right there. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So here you can see what the video is. She's not really doing anything. And then let's try this. Okay. So, sorry, I should have given you a volume warning there, shouldn't I? I'll hit the animate and turn the volume down a little bit now. Actually, that didn't take long at all. So that's pretty entertaining. So let's try driving image on a video. All right. Now we got Donald Trump look going on here. It is what it is, guys. It's pretty cool. All right, let's give animal mode another shot and see if I can get any good results this time. Okay, so we got a nice happy puppy dog, and then we have the eye squinty lady. Let's give this a shot, shall we? Yeah, that didn't turn out quite as well. Well, it's a nice try, and it's a free program. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is Pinocchio. That is LivePortrait. A very topical view of it. Yeah, it's pretty clear the animal one isn't working very well just yet. But hey, Pinocchio, LivePortrait. Take a look, guys. Anyways, that's it from me, folks. Ned from Nest Tech, but take it easy on each other, will you?